just woke up. When I first wake up, I like to journal. I know everybody says that, but I actually try to journal. I've been through a couple of these 5-minute journals and I really, really like them. I always gift them to people and I just feel like they're a fun step in the morning. Whipped cream cheese. Guys, this is not my everyday breakfast, but this is when I'm craving something a little more filling. So I do a whipped cream cheese first and spread like a thin layer of this on both of them. Sometimes I'll do like an egg or whatever, but I really feel like it today. Okay, I usually have a couple of things I grab from my fridge. So first of all, I want to drink some of this juice. It's a beet juice. And then also I grab my skincare. I keep like eye patches and my gua sha in here. I like to have these in the fridge and it just keeps them nice and cold, and I just feel like it's more effective when I keep these in the fridge. This is one of my favorite juices, but it's a beet juice. It's called heartbeat juice. I also like to take my fish oil in the morning. I love this. It literally tastes so good. I look forward to taking it, but fish oil is so good for you, and I like to just take this in the morning. I cut it in half and then I just like take 2. Okay, we're gonna do my morning skincare. I just got out of the shower. I don't do my skincare in the shower because I just don't like to. This morning we're going to do some skincare here and then go sit at my vanity and finish. Start off with this Eyes Clinical in the morning. It's a gentle cleanser, so I like this in the morning since it's a little more gentle on my skin. Also this spa headband, I'll link it. It's so cute and I just love it. You want to massage it in for 60 seconds. I've gotten a couple DMs and then also I've seen in YouTube comments that you guys ask for a hair tutorial, and I've actually updated it. So I do it a little differently than I did I posted like a hair tutorial. I do my hair a little differently now, so I figured I would do like an updated hair tutorial for you. Start by sectioning my hair. And I will link the curling iron I use, but it's from GHD, and I will link like the exact size and the exact one. So I usually take my hair and I start by curling the first piece away from the face. And I kind of just do it and I hold it for like, I don't know, I hold it for like probably 20 seconds or so. Also, what is this breakout right here? I don't like that. And then I just pull it out and you get a curl like that. On the second piece, I also typically curl it away from my face. I like the first like front pieces to mostly be away from the face. On the third piece, I start curling towards my face. So we were going away and now I'm going towards, and I'm just kind of gonna curl towards my face. Also, this tends to last for days, which I love because nobody wants to style their hair every single day, and I have a lot of different hair tools, but I find that this one just lasts the longest. I would say that I do like 2 away from the face, 2 or 3 towards, and then just kind of alternate. So I'm gonna finish my bottom section and then I'll come back when I'm done and we can do the top section together. Do the top. So I basically put all the hair in the middle and part my hair. Kind of the same thing. I start with going the very first strand away, but this time I usually alternate a little bit differently. I kind of just see what looks good. This strand is gonna go away from my face. Let it go. You could see that made such a pretty curl. So I'm gonna do 2 away from the face. Now we're doing 2 going towards my face and we're just gonna hold that there. And then the very front pieces, I kind of just give a little swoosh and make them go in. I'm gonna take these under eye patches. These are from Amazon. They're so good. And these have caffeine and hyaluronic acid. Take off my under eye patches. So I always start off with my Ilia Face Base Milk. And I really like this. It gives me like a really smooth base for my makeup. So I just kind of like do it in the palm of my hand and then press it in to my skin. A little moisturizer. This is the one I use for under my makeup. It's the Lait Cream Concentrate. And I just add that on top. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of eye cream just to kind of hydrate my under eyes a little more. Then I use the Victoria Beckham Augustinus Butter Moisturizer on top. I know, a lot of moisturizers. And this is in the golden shade, so it makes your skin look super hydrated and tan. I'm gonna do the Beauty Pie Super Luminous Skin Glow Filter mixed with my Iconic London primer. I usually do this combo on my skin, or like I've been doing it the past week or so. Just kind of part of my like natural makeup routine. And the combo just makes your skin super luminous and like dewy and just perfect. So I just mix these together. Take this like big tarte fluffy brush and just blend it. Instantly blurs and gives you a nice glow. I like to use an under eye corrector. I basically am just going to go in and brighten my under eye area. And then once we have this, I'm gonna take the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer foundation. I'm gonna use this Dior contour stick, Tower 28 concealer, YSL blush. This blush is so pretty, like I love it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Mario powder, like the tiniest amount. If you are struggling with like being productive throughout the day, or you feel like you have nothing to do, I recommend that you change your morning routine. When I used to hear people say, oh, I wake up and I journal and blah, 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 I would literally be like in my head thinking, no way that this person wakes up and journals. Like, I could not wrap my head around how that was like actually part of someone's morning routine. But once I started doing it, and like not just any journal, I can't really sit there and just like journal. It has to be the 5-minute journal. And that little step will help a lot in my opinion. It's really all about like what you do in the morning and like setting yourself up for a good day in the morning. Because if you don't have a productive morning, you probably won't have a lot of like motivation throughout the day. By the way, I hear that you want longer vlogs and they are coming. I'm gonna start doing a couple times a week, like a 20-minute vlog. It's coming, I swear. I hear you. I'm not ignoring the request. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but I don't think it's gonna be like that long. But I just wanted to say that I do hear you. I feel like honestly, I thought when I first started doing this, I just assumed that you guys wouldn't want longer vlogs. I don't know why I assumed that, but I just thought, okay, they're not gonna wanna watch a longer vlog. Let me just like not make a super long vlog, because who's gonna wanna watch that? Like no one's gonna sit down and watch a long vlog. So I decided not to. And now you guys are commenting that you want a long vlog, which makes me so happy, but also I'm surprised because again, like I never thought that people would be wanting a long vlog. So I promised you it's coming. If you're one of those people who commented and you want a longer vlog, I am going to mix it up. We're gonna do some long, some short. You guys, this is really pretty. It's the Tenniel Caramel Latte is the shade. It's a bronzer, so it's, I guess, a bronzer contour. Put it over top of my contour. I ordered some more of this one brow gel that I really used to love. I don't know if I'll still love it, but it's like that One Benefit brow gel. It's coming today, so we'll see. I'm gonna use this Patrick Ta brow gel. I really like this one too. And it just like holds my brows up pretty well. This is one of the Flea blush pot things. I really like these, they're really fun. Shade Cherry, let's try Cherry. Cherry is like a kind of more reddish than pink. That is so pretty. I always use this like tint that they sent me. I use this like every day. It's a jelly tint and I literally just like press this on my lips. I like to walk with a really comfy outfit. This is the hack. If you really don't want to work out or you don't want to go on a walk, for me, when I don't want to do like mat Pilates at home, I literally will do it in my pajamas if I have to. Like sometimes you just don't feel like changing, getting ready. Trust me, I understand that, but doing workouts like in your PJs or in a comfy outfit, like it's fine. But sometimes for my walks, I'll literally wear like a jogger and a tank top. Look at the curls. It always looks like I went to a salon. I am obsessed. I just want to show you guys how glowy my skin looks. Yesterday I ordered, well, I did some organization and I ordered this tray from Amazon for my perfumes. I'll link it. It is so pretty. It's travertine. It's so stunning. Like, are you kidding? I'm obsessed. I put all of my main favorite scents in here. I have my closet pretty organized right now. If you guys want a closet tour, I would be happy to film one. I ordered a really cute little set from Aritzia and I wanted to show you. That was cute. It's a bralette that looks like this and the bottom says TNA. TNA in cursives. I thought that was really chic and just like cute. I got these separately. They're little shorts and I just thought this was so cute. I'll do a little haul and then we are going to stock the fridge. Some vanilla milk. You guys know I love this. I really like these San Pellegrinos. Like when my friends come over, I feel like it's just nice to have something like this in the fridge, or sometimes when I want something that's like carbonated and a little bit sweet, I use that. Some coconut waters, although I will say I did not order the mango one, but I got the mango one. Not complaining. I love this coconut water. It's like the perfect taste, like exactly what you would want your coconut water to taste like. And then I got some cold brews. Just got a couple of these to have when I want coffee in the morning. So I got some of those. Some coconut Siggy's yogurt. I love yogurt with like fruit and vanilla. So I got a couple of those. I got a peach. I got another peach, a vanilla, and another vanilla. Random, but that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm going to stock up the fridge and make it look all aesthetic. I love fridge organization. It's literally my favorite thing. And it also makes it easier to cook and just like, my fridge is yelling at me, I need to shut it. But it makes it easier to cook and kind of come up with recipes just because you can see everything. But that's my fridge organization. I'm getting ready to go on my walk, so I'm going to close the vlog off here. But I hope you guys enjoyed spending the morning with me. We'll see you again soon.